Closing balance of receivable after adjusting errors. The following receivables ledger control account has been prepared by a trainee accountant. 20x5 1 January balance $71,170. 31 December credit sales $47,280. Discounts allowed $915. Irrecoverable debts written off $450. Sales returns $1,230. Total $121,045. 20x5 31 December cash received from credit customers $44,948. Contras against amounts owing by company in payables ledger $200. Balance $75,897. Total $121,045. What should the closing balance on the account be when the errors in it are corrected? Answer: Receivables Ledger Control Account. Opening balance $71,170. Credit sales $47,280. Total $118,450. Cash received $44,948. Discounts allowed $915. Irrecoverable debts written off $450. Sales returns $1,230. Contras $200. Closing balance $70,707. Total $118,450.